Guys, welcome back to the channel, girl. I hope you guys are doing well. As you guys see by the title, we are going to be trying out this Hype powder foundation, and this is from e.l.f. Cosmetics. So this is very hype at this moment, but you guys know we are real on this channel and we're gonna see what the hype is about. So the shade that I picked up is Deep 540 Neutral. This is the same shade as the foundation. This is a blendable to full coverage semi-matte finish. They have at least 14 shades, I believe. This is retail for $11 and it's been sold out for like maybe a month or so, and I finally got it. So I wanted to try it out for you guys. So the darkest shade is Rich 660 Neutral, which is a rich with neutral undertone. And the second darkest is Rich 60 Neutral, rich with warm undertone as well. And it's a primer infused pressed powder foundation that delivers a buildable coverage and an airbrush finish. Long wear, buildable. You give you a medium to full coverage, natural to semi-finish. Great for all skin type with oil control, skin concerns. So this is it here. I thought it broke. The color look okay, and you get a sponge. You also get a mirror, and this is the color. So we're just gonna do like a simple look because I don't really want to put too much product on the face and you guys don't see the beauty of it. I'm gonna prep the skin as well as we go along. So I'm gonna use e.l.f. Daily Hydrating Moisturizer for this step, and I'll just put a little bit of concealer under the eyes, you know, just to make it look a little presentable. Let me know in the comments below if you guys tried out this powder foundation. I'm looking at the packaging and I don't like the packaging at all. It's white. I don't like any cosmetic packaging that is white. I just think it's just me and how clumsy I am, and you know, things get dirty. This is it. Let me just show you guys. You see it's already dirty and I just open it. Well, it came like this, okay? So on the Ulta website, they have 41 reviews and it looks like a lot of people don't like it. It look very bad. One of the worst powders I ever used, unfortunately. Ooh. Don't believe the hype, girl. Woo, child. Dusty colors are not accurate. Definitely not the best powder in my opinion. Definitely do not like it for dry skin. Child. Honestly, when I look at the shades when they announce it, I look at the shade range and I was like, what is this? Like, e.l.f., come on now. You guys know I'm rooting for you guys. I love you guys. We could do better when it comes to the shade, but girl, who me? I'm nobody. Not understanding the hype. This is a decent powder with decent coverage. However, I'm not understanding why everyone is going crazy over it online. Like, yeah, like really, like when I tried to get it, it's like sold out for weeks. I couldn't get it. Even on the Ulta website, as soon as it dropped, it was sold out in a few minutes. That is crazy. What I'll do in this video, I'll try it out with the sponge on one side and I'm gonna try it out with the brush on the other. This brush is from Juvia's Place and this is the J113 round buffer brush. Before I put this on my skin, let me swatch this. Ooh. 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 This is it. Ooh, girl. Look kind of dark. Ooh. A lot of kickbacks. You guys see, it's a lot of kickbacks. Listen, if this don't work, I'm gonna return it. I'm not gonna keep it. I don't care. Oh, this is dark. Ooh, it's dark, girl. This is, ooh. You could tell. We're just gonna see the coverage, girl. We don't even care. No, no. Yeah, this is, ooh, dark. You guys can see it. But I'm gonna put a little bit more because I want to see the coverage. So I'm just gonna buff it in. I'm not like, you know, just press it into the skin. This is pretty dark. Is it sure this is 5 neutral? It is 540 neutral. This is really dark. The foundation is not that dark. Well, now it is not. I don't know what happened before, but I'm gonna just bring it down a little bit. You see how dark my skin is? Girl, this is just a review, okay, girl? Ooh. We're gonna use a sponge. I'm gonna take a little bit. Okay. And let's just see. Oh my god, my face started looking a little muddy. Ooh, child. Let me just go with the brush and try to blend that out. It's looking very muddy if I put too much of it. The sponge is not it. Don't even use a sponge, use a brush. So I'm gonna go in with the concealer and just put a little bit so my skin will look a little bit even. I'm going with this sponge here. This sponge is from AOA Studio, Shop Me Say. So I'm gonna set the concealer with the e.l.f. setting powder. I think my face is looking a little bit more decent now because I'm putting the powder. Can't believe the hype. You gotta try things on your own and see how it works for you. I don't like the way it's looking. Too muddy right here. And then this is too dark. I'm not even sure why e.l.f. decided to do this to me. I was raving for you guys in my last video. And now I probably had to take back what I said, because I really do like this brand, but this right here is a no. It's too dark. The shade range is not it. There are missing shades. Even with the foundation, when they came out with the foundation, they were missing shades. And I think they did extended the foundation, but you only could get the extended shade on their website. Ulta don't carry it. I think they should have done it with this product because this is not it. I'm just gonna use a blush. This is from e.l.f. right here. I'm gonna take this brush. I think this is from Wet n Wild. They don't have this anymore. It's not heavy or anything. It's just the shade is not it for me. That is the only thing that I see right now, the shade. I don't like how it looks on my face. It looks a little dusty, like dusty and muddy around the same time. And you see the little spots right here? I hope you guys can see that. That's the little black spot there. This is from the powder. You get like a medium coverage. If you use me for a shade range, it's not even worth it. Don't even try to get a shade because there's none. You know, this is too dark. And I'm going to return it. So let me just spray the face. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Glow Mist Spray. And then I'm going to use my sponge. So this is the mascara that I use. This is from AOA and this is one of my favorite right now. So this is Fat Lash. And the lipstick that I use is a lip gloss. So this is from e.l.f. and this is one of their clear lip lacquer lip gloss. And then I use one of their eyeliners on the lips. This is their No Budge retractable eyeliner and that's the shade Coffee. And that's about it. That's all I use off camera. I don't like this powder foundation. I don't see the hype about this. First of all, this is too dark. As you guys could see, as soon as I swatch it, I just knew that it was gonna be too dark. The foundation is a little bit more lighter than this, retaining the shade. And I think this is the same issue that they are having with the foundation. Now, this is just my personal opinion. If you like this product, kudos to you. But I'm just going by my experience. 14 shades is not enough. Maybe they was trying to, you know, have the same shade as the foundation. Now I have the foundation in my hand here. I just used it again in my other video. Now I'm gonna swatch it because it's supposed to be the same shade as the powder foundation, right? Now this is a powder foundation here, and this is the same shade, Deep 540 Neutral. So I'm gonna take a little bit and put on the same side, and you guys see the difference. You see the same? Like, it's not the same. It's totally different. So I'm not even sure what they were trying to do, but maybe if they had make this as the same shade as the powder foundation, I think it would have been much better. And in my last video, I did tell you guys I didn't want to use this powder foundation in the video because I wanted to do a separate video. This is the reason why. Because I know sometimes powder foundation can be darker than the liquid foundation. I'm very disappointed with this. Like, what is this? This is so dark. And you guys could tell on my face. Look at my neck. Okay, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Also share the video, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so when I upload videos you will be notified. To my OGs, thank you guys so much for returning. I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much. See you guys in the next video.